In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Trello. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head to Trello.com, then sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, go to the boards view. This is where all of your workspaces and boards live, making it easy to pick the right place to follow along. Choose any board where you can create and edit cards. If you're new to Trello, a simple practice board works perfectly. Next, let's create a quick example so you can see undo in action. Open a list on your board and click the Add a Card button. Type a card name, something like a task title you might use in your day-to-day, and create the card. You'll see it appear in the list right away. Now, imagine you accidentally erase the card's name or type something you didn't mean to. Click into the card title to edit it, select the text, and delete it so we have a change to undo. Here's the key part. While your cursor is still in that text field, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. That's the standard undo shortcut. And it works inside Trello's text fields. You'll see the previous text come right back. If you made multiple changes while typing, you can press the shortcut more than once to step backward through those edits. This same undo behavior applies to other editable text areas in Trello, like descriptions, comments, and checklist item names, as long as you're actively editing the field. The important thing is to keep the focus in the text box where you made the change. If you click somewhere else on the page and undo doesn't seem to work, click back into the same field and try the shortcut again. A quick tip to make this smoother: pause for a second before you navigate away from the card after a mistake. The moment you notice something's off, use the undo shortcut right away. It's the fastest way to get back what you had without retyping. Also, if you're renaming a card or updating a description, consider making small changes and undoing immediately if needed. That habit saves time and reduces errors. To recap, go to Trello.com, open your boards view, pick a board, create a test card, make a quick edit, and then use Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac to undo your changes inside the text field. That's all there is to it. Practice it a couple of times, and you'll be undoing small mistakes in Trello with confidence.